Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have one of my favorite Hot Wheels I think I've seen so far. I've only seen pictures of this and we have it. We have the Pagani Huayra R, and oh my gosh, this thing is absolutely crazy. And one of my favorite cars in the world is the Pagani Zonda, and the Huayra is pretty cool, but the Huayra R is just absolutely insane. I have not opened this up. I have not seen it yet, so I'm really excited to get into this. And man, I am really excited. Before we get started with the unboxing of this really awesome Hot Wheel RLC car, I do want to mention I still have a giveaway going on my merch store. So there's going to be a link in the description down below to my merch store, and I'm giving away this brand new 2024 collector edition Nissan Silvia. This could be one of your guys, and this exact one right here is the one I'm giving away. I think it is a really cool car as well. A really awesome collector car. It's kind of like the Hot Wheel RLC like quality. You have the Spectraflame paint, the rubber Real Rider tires, and that really awesome quality overall. But I'm giving this away to one of you guys, so all you have to do is go down, link in the description down below, check out my merch store. I have a rules tab with all the stuff you need to know. But if you guys do win this, there are no fees or anything like that, so definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. I have a lot of Hot Wheel RLC cars on there, as well as like just mainlines, premiums, and monster trucks, even more collector cars as well. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. I am really excited about this one. I actually do have a couple of these that are going to be available on my merch store, so get them while supplies last. I only have a couple available. I have a few of them. This one's going to be for myself, and the others are going to be on my merch store. So I'm going to go ahead and be careful with cutting the tape on this because I don't want to really damage the box or anything. Kind of want to keep it in nice condition. But let's go ahead and open that up. And already I'm getting excited because I see that really cool stripe there behind the RLC logo. And wow, this already looks phenomenal. It has that really cool carbon fiber kind of look here behind the logo. Obviously the Italian flag looking really cool right there. And even has that number because the Pagani Huayra R is the actual race car. And if you guys are interested in reading that, let me get it to focus and then you can pause that and read it if you're wanting to. But man, I am so excited to lift this top piece off and show you guys what this car looks like. But here we go. Wow, that looks amazing. Wow. Also, you kind of notice those mirrors sticking out. I think it's the first time we've seen like an RLC with like giant mirrors that actually stick out, or even like any Hot Wheel, honestly. Man, this is really cool. I am kind of like in shock. I really want to show you guys all the details on this, but I kind of want to like see it up close for a second. Wow, it even looks really cool from above. It's like that gunmetal color, but it has like that gold kind of accents everywhere, and it looks so cool. Even like the front end looks so nice and so detailed. Man, then the back looks really cool as well. The diffuser has the Italian flag going across the bottom, and you can see the exhaust there. And then the wing, obviously it says Pagani. Let's see if I can show it. Yeah, there you go. You can see that Pagani logo on the wing. Man, this is such a nice car. It has a little Pirelli logo on the top of the windshield, which is kind of cool. It says Huayra R there on the side. Man, that is, I think, one of the nicest Hot Wheels I've ever seen. The attention to detail is spot on. And man, this looks so good. And also like the whole back opens and comes off just like an actual Pagani Huayra R. And yes, I will be unboxing this. I'm going to take it out of the little case here and check it out. I just want to kind of admire it first before I really get too much into that. But let's go ahead. I'm just going to set it down here for a second and throw on some gloves. I have the Hot Wheels Arsham gloves. You can see that right there. And I'm going to go ahead and throw these on because I don't want to scratch up the car or scratch up the case or anything. So I want to keep it in great condition. But I am so excited to get into this. Alright, usually these they can sometimes be easy to pop off. Alright, so we got one side off. Now let's go ahead and pop off the other side. I'm just trying to be very careful with this. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to go ahead and set that right there. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. And even the way the wing looks is so nice as well. Let me show you guys the car up close. There we go. That right there, I think, is like the nicest Hot Wheels that they've ever made. That looks so good. Even like the way that wing looks, you can see right underneath it too. It looks really, really nice. Wow. Like, I am freaking out. I'm like in awe. The mirrors look so accurate to like the real car. Man, this is such a cool Hot Wheel. I just can't get over how good this thing looks. Man, even like that top-down view looks really, really cool as well. But I'm not sure exactly how the back comes off. So I am assuming I'm just going to kind of maybe like lift up on it, or... Oh, there we go. So I lifted up from the back. I don't know if you can really see that coming up, and then it slides right off. So that right there is the whole back piece with the wing and everything. So let me just go ahead and set that down. And wow. So if you don't know, Paganis in real life actually have a AMG V12, which is like a Mercedes AMG. And that is really cool how you can see like the whole exhaust there in white and everything. And then the engine kind of sits up a little bit further. And that is absolutely amazing how they made it where like the whole back end of that actually comes off. And that's kind of how it would look in real life. And you can definitely see the rubber Real Rider tires sitting right there. Man, this is so cool. All the little detail with that. Man, that is awesome. Oh, and there's even a little Pagani V12 little decal there. So right underneath the fin is where the engine is. It's a little black piece. And then on either side, there's a little dark gray rectangle. And that's where it says Pagani V12. I don't know if you can really see it right up in there. Man, that is so cool. And then here's the back end of it as well. There we go. And then the underside of that is just... It actually is kind of like... It does look like it is painted, but also kind of like raw metal, but it's like really nice and polished too. So that's the underside, if you're curious. And then obviously the top side looks like that. And there's that giant wing. The taillights are on there as well. And then has that really cool Pagani logo. Man, that is absolutely amazing. And then the way it hooks in is just those two little tabs that just kind of hook up underneath. And then, oh, there's like a little peg there in the middle, a little piece. And it slides into a little slot, and that's kind of how it holds on. But what a nice car. I think that is amazing. So then to put it back together, that just slides right back into those slots, and then it just pushes right down, and boom, it's all back together. That is absolutely amazing. I know I picked up a couple of these. This is one of the nicest Hot Wheels I've ever seen. And yeah, like I said, there's going to be a couple on my merch store. Definitely go check that out. Link in the description down below. And if you guys do pick one up, you automatically get multiple entries into the giveaway. So yeah, this thing, I am just mind blown. I am kind of like speechless at this. I'm probably going to like, once I wrap up this video, I'm probably just going to sit here and stare at it, check it out. But this is definitely, I think, my favorite that I've ever seen Hot Wheels do so far. But also, put down in the comments down below, let me know what you guys think of the Pagani. Also, did you guys pick one up when they came out? I'm glad I did. This was definitely an awesome choice. But if you guys did like the video, go down, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.